I bought and tested these portable carpet cleaners so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you've ever faced a tough stain or pet mess, you know how frustrating it can be. Let's dive into these top 5 options that could save you time and headaches. Product number 1, Bissell Little Green Mini. When I first got my hands on the Bissell Little Green Mini, I was excited yet skeptical. We've all seen those infomercials, right? But I was determined to put this little guy to the test. We had a recent spill incident, a mix of juice and a bit of toddler playtime gone wrong on the living room carpet. At only 7 pounds, the Little Green Mini was lightweight and easy to carry around. It fit snugly in my hand, and with its ergonomic design, I felt like I was wielding a magic wand against stains. The Hydra Rinse self-cleaning tool was a game changer. No need to worry about cleaning the hose afterward. I filled the 8-ounce tank with the Little Green formula and got to work. The 4-inch tough stain tool made it easy to scrub away the mess, and I was genuinely amazed at how quickly it lifted the stain. I even used it on my car's upholstery. There's nothing worse than spilled snacks during a road trip. Pros: the Bissell Little Green Mini is incredibly easy to use, versatile across different surfaces, and even tackles allergens like dust and pollen. The self-cleaning feature means less mess for me to deal with. Plus, supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation with every purchase is a nice touch. Cons: the small tank means you might have to refill it often if you're tackling larger areas. I found myself pausing to refill a couple of times during my cleaning binge. So why should you buy the Bissell Little Green Mini? If you need a reliable portable cleaner for quick spills, pet messes, or even detailing your car, this product checks all the boxes. It's compact, efficient, and you'll feel good knowing you're helping pets in need with your purchase. Product number 2, Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose. My experience with the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Cleaner was nothing short of transformative. I had just moved into a new place, and the previous tenants left behind some unsightly stains, spills that had settled into the carpets like they had lived there for years. Weighing in at 9.65 pounds, it felt robust without being cumbersome. The 48-ounce clean water tank allowed me to tackle bigger messes without constant interruptions. I filled it up with the recommended solution and set off on my mission. The ultra-powerful triple action formula worked wonders. It didn't just mask the odors, it eliminated them. As I sprayed, scrubbed, and suctioned, I could literally see the stains lifting away, almost like magic. I even took it to clean my car, and it made the upholstery look brand new. Pros: this cleaner is trusted by millions, and I can see why. The large capacity tank means less time spent refilling, and the powerful formula truly delivers on its promises. Cons: the cord could be longer for those larger rooms, but it's manageable with a bit of planning. Why buy the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Cleaner? If you want a reliable, heavy-duty cleaner that's still portable, this is the one. It's perfect for both home and auto detailing, giving you that like-new feeling when it comes to your carpets and upholstery. Product number 3, Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe. I was particularly excited to try the Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe. With 2 dogs and a cat, my home often resembles a fur factory. This portable cleaner, weighing just under 10 pounds, gave me a sense of hope. The first challenge was a stubborn pet stain on my living room rug. This model boasts a large 48-ounce tank, which was a blessing. I filled it up with the included PET spot and stain formula and went to work. The moment I activated the powerful suction, I felt like I was winning the battle against pet stains. The 3-inch tough stain tool was perfect for getting into those tight corners of the carpet where dirt likes to hide. The additional Hydra Rinse feature made cleaning the hose a breeze, a detail I appreciated after tackling multiple messes. Pros: the powerful suction really shines, making it easy to remove tough stains and odors. The large tank means less refilling, and the included tools are tailored for pet owners. Cons: it's a bit heavier than some of the other models, which might be a concern for those needing something extremely lightweight. Why buy the Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe? If you're a pet owner or simply someone who deals with tough stains, this portable cleaner is designed for you. It's effective, easy to use, and gives you peace of mind knowing you can tackle messes quickly. Product number 4, Shark Stain Striker Portable Cleaner. I was intrigued by the Shark Stain Striker, especially with its self-cleaning feature. At first glance, it looked sleek in its charcoal color and had a compact design that felt good in my hands. I had my eyes set on the stains from my kids' art projects that had made their way onto our living room couch. With its dual activated formula and ultra-powerful suction, I was ready to put it to the test. As I started cleaning, I was impressed with the ease of use. The suction was strong, pulling out stains that had been set for days. The self-cleaning feature was revolutionary for me. I simply clicked it into place and it cleaned itself. Pros: the self-cleaning feature is a major win. It saves time and hassle. The ultra-powerful suction really does work wonders on tough stains and odors. Cons: it's slightly heavier than I expected, which could be a drawback for some. Why buy the Shark Stain Striker? If you're looking for a powerful cleaner that simplifies the cleaning process with its self-cleaning mechanism, this is your best bet. It's perfect for busy families and pet owners alike, making stain removal a breeze. Product number 5. Shark Stain Striker Nordic Blue. The Shark Stain Striker and Nordic Blue caught my eye with its modern design and promise of powerful stain removal. I decided to test it on a variety of stains, from coffee spills to pet accidents. Weighing the seam as its charcoal counterpart, it felt just as robust and reliable. The dual activated formula really impressed me. It tackled each stain with remarkable effectiveness. The lightweight design made it easy to navigate around furniture and tight spaces. One of the standout features was the extra-large stain eliminator tool, which really made a difference on larger messes. Pros: the powerful stain elimination and lightweight design make it user-friendly. The extra tools included allow for flexibility in cleaning various surfaces. Cons: the price point may be a tad high for some, but the results are worth it. Why buy the Shark Stain Striker Nordic Blue? If you're in the market for a portable cleaner that not only looks good, but performs exceptionally, this model is a solid choice. It's versatile, effective, and designed to handle the messes of everyday life. In conclusion, each of these portable carpet cleaners offers unique benefits tailored to different cleaning needs. Whether you're a pet owner or just want to keep your home spotless, these products deliver. Remember, investing in a good cleaner can save you time and frustration down the line. Happy cleaning!